This is my dog Heidi, who I call hyena, because he looks like a hyena. You see what I'm doing to him? He makes the funniest sounds. Listen to him. He snorts like a bobcat, a bear, who knows what else. But I just wanted to give you a little sample of some of his skills and talents. What kind of sound is that? Hey. He thinks he's scaring me, but he's not. Hey. What kind of sound? Okay, come on. See, he doesn't hurt. What kind of snorting or snoring is that? Have you ever heard sounds like this? It's the funniest thing. I just love it. Now watch this. Now I can point at him and he'll get mad. Now watch this. Here we go. Like he doesn't want me to touch his fang. Give me that fang. Give me a fang. Give me a fang. I guess I can't get his fang. Look, if I point at him, even from long distance, watch this. You think I'm kidding? Watch, here I am. Watch. Hey. He doesn't hurt. Uh-oh. Well, that's the show. There you have it for now. Just wanted to show you, but look at his fang. Watch. Give me a fang. Hey. Hey. Oh. Come here. Come on. Hey. Give me a fang. Give me that fang. Give me that fang. Give me a fang. Look, he looks like a bear. Hey. Gotta show you. Now see, I'm just laying down next to him. See, look. We're just laying down on him. Nothing's harming him. Give me a fang. Look. Let's see if we can make it. Give me a fang. Give me that fang. He doesn't like his fangs to be yanked on. What kind of sound is this? Give me that fang. Oh well. He doesn't hurt, and that's the show.